A very warm good morning, my dear children. Welcome to our online EVS class. So, finally, we are done with our half-yearly exam, and I must tell you, you all did extremely well in your written and oral test. So, children, before we start some new topics, I would like to revise few topics which were related to your half-yearly exam. And I'm here once again with the topic My Classroom. Yes, children. Now, in front of you, there is one big picture related to classroom. Yes, children. Now, classroom. What is classroom? There are many rooms in your school, but the classroom is the most important room because classroom is that room where you children sit and gain knowledge, earn knowledge from your teacher, right? So the first thing what you observe in this picture, your teacher. Yes, teacher plays a very important role, children. Okay, the teacher used to explain you all different new things, right? She every day comes to your classroom, interact with you all, and tell you many new things which you were unknown with all that, right? टीचर ही है वो बच्चों जो आपको नई नई चीज़ें विस्तार से हर एक बातों को समझाती है कि नहीं? Okay, the teacher. First you will going to observe in the classroom your teacher. Yes. Now, after teacher, what you observe? See straight on the wall. What you can see? Yes, the blackboard. Now, what is the use of the blackboard? With the help of this blackboard, teacher used to explain you all. Now, how teacher used to write on the blackboard? With the help of the chalk. Yes, on the table, can you see the pieces of the chalk? Yes, with this chalk, teacher used to write on the blackboard. Whatever she wanted to show you all, whatever she wanted to explain you all, by writing on the blackboard, she used to do that work. Okay? Now, near the chalk, what you can see over here? There is a duster. Yes, children. Now, duster. Duster is used to wipe or to clear the board. Yes? Now, after chalk and duster, let's talk about the chart. Yes, there is a big chart in the classroom, and this type of chart you will also going to see in your own classroom also when you will join the school. Now, what is the need of this chart in the classroom? The requirement of this chart is by seeing the visualization, by observing the visualization, when teacher wanted to explain you all anything related to any topic, the chart used to help the teacher as well as the children to understand it by visualization. Yes, children. आप चार्ट्स हम वॉल्स में क्यों लगाते हैं क्लासरूम में? ताकि उन चार्ट्स को देखकर आप पिक्चर्स को देखकर आप देखकर काफ़ी चीज़ें जान जाओ. Okay? Now, after chart, let's talk about the things. What other things which we see in the classroom is the chair. Yes. Now, chair. This chair is for the teacher. Yes, this chair is for your teacher. Now, what is the place for you all to sit? Yes, your place is the bench. Bench is the place where children used to sit, and desk. Can you see the desk? Row wise? Yes, desk is the place where you will going to keep your book, pen, pencil, eraser, scale, all the things you keep on the desk where you used to write, and teacher used to write on the table. Can you see? This is the table for the teacher. ये टीचर के लिए है जहाँ पे टीचर बैठकर अपना लिखने का काम या फिर चेकिंग का काम करेंगे. और ये जो डेस्क है जिस पे आप देख सकते हैं बच्चे अपनी कॉपी बुक्स रखे हैं, वो आप अपने डेस्क में रखेंगे और आप लोग बैठेंगे बेंचेस में, टीचर बैठेंगे चेयर्स में. रेड कलर का चेयर आपको दिख रहा है? यस. नाउ what are the other thing you observe in this picture? Pen is there, scale is there, this pencil is there, eraser, a rubber is there, book is there, right? So these are the stationery item which you all generally used to keep in your pencil case. यानी pencil box में आप generally carry करते हो when you go to your classroom. These are the basic essential need which children should always have in their bag. ओके ये नहीं कि आप पेंसिल लाना भूल गए, यू आर बोरोइंग फ्रॉम योर फ्रेंड्स. आपके लिए ज़रूरी है कि हर दिन आपके बैग्स में ये बेसिक चीज़ें रहे. ओके. नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज योर बुक्स एंड नोटबुक. कैन यू सी बुक, नोटबुक? द नोटबुक इज द कॉपी वेर यूज टू राइट. बुक इज द टेक्स्ट बुक वेर यू विल गेट योर स्टडी मटेरियल. ओके. कॉपी, बुक. बुक में आपके चैप्टर्स होते हैं, कॉपी में आप लिखते हो रिलेटेड टू दैट चैप्टर. राइट चिल्ड्रन? ओके. नाउ देयर इज अ डोर. नाउ प्रॉपर डोर, विंडो system should be there and ventilator should be there. Now ventilator is ताकि फ्रेश एयर रूम में आ पाए. ओके. वेंटिलेटर होते हैं. और डोर और विंडो आपके रूम में भी, आपके क्लासरूम में भी यू विल गोइंग टू सी द वेंटिलेटर फैसिलिटी एज वेल एज देयर इज अ विंडो डोर इन ईच एंड क्लासरूम. ओके चिल्ड्रन. नाउ next, near to the teacher you can see the bookshelf. Now bookshelf, which I talked earlier also, the cupboard. Yes, the cupboard where the teacher used to keep other things like copies, checking copies, or the children who used to left their things in the classroom by mistake. All those things we used to keep in the cupboard. Your charts, okay, many things is used to keep in the cupboard related to the classroom. Now down there you can see the globe. Now globe, generally this is the big class children, they must be seniors children, that's why the globe is placed over here. Now generally for one class globe is not essential in the classroom. Now what is globe? Globe is the model of the earth. ये छोटा सा मॉडल है अर्थ का, जिसे टीचर पढ़ाते वक्त स्पेशली ज्योग्राफी में ये हम यूज़ करते हैं ताकि आपको अलग अलग जगह दिखा पाए. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट योर क्लासरूम. Today I have teach you all what you all can see in your classroom. What are the things all the time present in the classroom. Okay, now let's talk about some of the manners, good manners related to the classroom. Yes, the first thing I would like to share that you should not throw your trash, your dust here and there. It should be always be thrown in the dustbin. Yes children, in this picture dustbin has not been shown, but dustbin is also one of the important thing which is present in the classroom, in all the classroom. Second, you should not sit in the teacher's chair. आप बच्चों को कभी भी टीचर्स के चेयर में नहीं बैठना है. जो आपकी जगह है वहीं पे हमें बैठना है. दिस इज़ वन ऑफ द गुड important manner related to the classroom. You should never sit in the place of the teacher's chair. Okay, in the place of the teacher, in the place of the teacher, where the teacher used to sit, in the chair. So you should not use that chair where teacher used to sit. Okay, now second thing, you should not scramble or you should not write on the walls. जो classroom का जो wall होता है वो हमेशा साफ रखना है. That wall is for you all. That classroom is for you all, right? उस classroom में आप बैठते हो तो आप अपने classroom को जितना neat and clean रखेंगे उतना अच्छा रहेगा, है कि नहीं? So you should not scramble. You should not write with the pencil, pen or colors. You should not write on the wall. अपना क्लासरूम जितना आप उसके वॉल को साफ सुथरा रख सको उतना अच्छा है. चार्ट्स, यू शुड नॉट टीयर्स द चार्ट. चार्ट्स जो आपके क्लासरूम में रखे हुए हैं उनको कभी छेड़ना नहीं है, उनको कभी फाड़ू नहीं देना है. अपने क्लासरूम को हमेशा सुंदर रखना है. ओके, सो दीज वर द मैनर्स रिलेटेड टू द क्लासरूम. Okay, I hope you all have understood the things. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.